Alright guys, so we're gonna do a review of the Smart Sweets. This is their gummy worms. I've never tried the gummy worms. I've tried the gummy bears. I've tried the peach rings. I've tried the Swedish fish thing that they have. My least favorite so far is the Swedish fish. But yeah, here it is. And take a look at the ingredients. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. So they use stevia as their sweetener, and there's like tapioca and chicory and all that stuff. So let's open this up. Alright, so this is what they look like. There you go. There's one. Let's try it out. They're actually pretty good. They're just like the gummy bears, but softer and almost, they're not sweet at all. Yeah, it's pretty good, guys. Probably one of my favorites. Very close to the gummy bears. Very, very good. Definitely check it out. Down in the comments, guys. Post below, subscribe to the channel.